Hey, it's Nate from AustraliaWOW.com.au. Let me show you some very cool technology. We've been playing with it for a couple of years. I'm going to show you guys now. So you go, Nate, I'd love to create my own application, but it's a bit of a hard time trying to find a programmer that can do iOS and then Android and then Windows. Well, what if I told you could create very rapid development? You could create an application under Windows, because there's a billion programmers that can do that, and you could take that Windows application and you could actually run it on an Android natively. You could run it on an iPhone or an iPad or a Samsung Galaxy or whatever device you possibly wanted to run the application on. No app store, programmers galore that could do it for you, and no stupid arbitrary rules that could get your app pulled. What if I told you you could actually have that? Well, it's actually a reality. Let me show you. So I'm going to bring my iPad into view right now. Let's make it full screen so you guys can see it. All right, so it's a piece of technology called Remote Spark, and they've got a program called Spark View, right? So I'm going to connect to our server now. So let me go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click on that, okay? As you can see, now we're going to connect through to it. So this is my web browser. I'm going to connect through to my Windows server. It's going to be in Australia. And here we go. So Windows login, boom, there we go. Let me get rid of that out of the way. All right, so let me go ahead and just get back to the desktop. So I'm going to click on the desktop just there. And as you can see, there it is. So if I want to click on the start button and run any of my stuff, I can do that. Okay, there's all my applications, yay. But you can see that it actually runs natively. I've not had to download anything. It's on a Wi-Fi connection in Australia, so yeah, not so good. 4G works an absolute peach. But yeah, if you wanted to create any application you want and run it through the web browser now, this is how you do it. Let's just open up, I don't know, let's open up Chrome, I suppose. So boom, open it up, and there we go. Pretty cool stuff, right? Now the beautiful thing about this software too is that if you now move it to landscape mode, let me go ahead and do that. So let's just give it just literally a couple of seconds, and you'll see that the whole thing now changes its dimensions. There we go, it's changing it now, and now it's actually making sure that we can see the rest of the screen. Okay, so yeah, portrait or landscape, it actually works beautifully. All right, so yeah, just wanted to show you that. Yeah, run any application that you want, get it rapidly created for you with somebody off Fiverr.com in Visual Basic 6 if you wanted to, and deploy it through the web browser. All right, totally secure, no app stores, no arbitrary rules, absolute joy to use. All right, so I wanted to show you that. It's pretty exciting. If you're a geek, you'll understand this. If you don't, probably not so much. But anyway, that's it. Nathan out.